How long do mini dental implants last? Any implant, a mini dental implant and a conventional implant, are designed to last a long time. A lot of that will depend on your oral health, how you take care of these implants. You still have to clean around these implants, make sure that your gum tissue and your bone is healthy. The mini implants, when compared to a conventional implant for success, is at the same level of percentage of success as a conventional implant. Over a 12-year study that was done between 2000 and 2012, over 6,000 mini implants were studied, and the single tooth restorations were found to perform at a 97% rate, while the multiple restorations, they were found to perform at a 94% rate. These are great success rates. They are very comparable to the conventional implants. I have no reservations recommending a mini dental implant. Give us a call. We will do our free consultation. We'll give you a treatment plan, and we can talk about the success rates at that point. Thank you.